Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we're going to fix a few things once again. And one of them is that when we try to buy a weapon from the wall, or actually when we try to buy some ammo to the weapon that we already have, and we have full ammo, we can still buy it, and we don't want that to happen. So you are like spending money without actually getting anything. So yeah, I will change this price to like, I don't know, 300 so we can test this easier. I will show you. So if I could come to here, I buy this weapon. Now I have full ammo. I try to buy. I can buy, but I don't get anything. So we want to do that. So when we are buying ammo and we have full ammo, we cannot buy. Okay. So let's fix that. First, we want to go to the first person folder and to the blueprints, and then we want to go to the PP first person character, and then we want to find our on interact. So I can delete that. I want to go to our on interact, which is here. Now, here at the start, we actually want to add something to here before this. Okay, so first what we want to do is we want to get all this from here and move it further away. Let's align it with these. Maybe it should be aligned. Like if we try it like this. Yes. Okay, that's good. And now we want to actually add a branch here. And from the true, we want to connect it to here and like that. Okay, now we want to connect this to here. And yeah, then actually let's add the, actually first I will align it with that also. So they are aligned. Yeah. Now let's add some, first actually we need to add a function for this because we need pretty like sorry, my brain is working, but we need a lot of code for this, I think. So let's add a little function, and let's call that function like, I don't actually know, let's just call it like on interaction, what should it be called? On interaction like by weapon. Oh, I added two spaces here. On interaction by weapon condition, something like that. So it's easy to know. And what we want to add here is first we want to get this. Where can I find it? Oh, here. Check if already has the same weapon. Let's get it to here. And now we want to promote this to a local variable. And let's call it like ammo slot index, something like that. And now we want to add a little branch after that. And we'll to add this return value to here, and let's add a reroute. So this basically checks if we have the, this is here just for easier like access later on. But so basically we're just checking if we already have the same weapon. If we don't have, then we can just add a return node here. So because we don't have to check these things if we don't have like the same weapon, so we cannot buy ammo. Okay, let's add a output, and that output should be called just like return value or something like that, or boolean or whatever. And let's actually check it true or make it true. Now let's go back to the on interact. We want to actually add this on interact by weapon condition here. And let's just connect this return value to the condition. Now let's move this and connect it to the bioweapon like that. And yeah, now let's go back to here. Now from the true, we actually want to get data table row, this one. Let's connect it to the true. Now we want to get the weapon data table or data table, I don't know how to say it. And from actually now we want to get the ammo slot index, and we want to get our weapon slots like this. Now from here we want to get, and we want to get the this this ammo slot index. This basically tells us which slot we are checking. Sorry, I'm super tired today, so this might be a little slow tutorial. But yeah, now let's get from this and to string, because we, oh, why cannot we do that? Oh, sorry, we actually first have to split it, and weapon index to string, because we cannot convert it straight to the name. Now we can, from string to name, like that. Yeah. After this, we want to split this out row, and we want to first get the out row ammo clip max. Let's promote it also to a local variable. Now ammo out row ammo total max to local variable also, like that. Now let's rename them. So this first one should be called ammo, well, ammo clip max, and like same one. This is like ammo total max same one. You can use whatever names you want, because I'm not good with these names. I'm just adding stuff to them so I can like later on know what's like what is what. You know? Okay. And after this, what we want to do, we want to add a little branch like this. And now we want to check if our ammo slot index is equal to, oh, let's move that there. Our ammo slot index is equal to weapon slot in use, this one. So those are same. Then we want to add another branch. And now what we want to check is want to get our ammo clip current. And also we want to get ammo total current. Let's add some space, leave some space here, because we will not use these together, at least for now. We want to check if this is less than ammo clip max same weapon, this one, like that. And now we want to also check if this is less than ammo total max same weapon. So, like that. And I will move this here. And now we want to add here a OR boolean. So if either one of these is true, then we want to get a return node. So return and make it true, like that. But if it's false, then we want to add a return and put it false, like that. So what we are doing here, we are first checking if we have the same weapon that so basically if we are trying to buy weapon or ammo. If we're trying to buy weapon, so we don't yet have the weapon, then we just go here. And if we already have the weapon, so we are basically buying ammo, then we check ammo slot index and we check our gun, so we get our basically our same weapons stats from here. Now we promote those two variables for easier access. Now we want to check if our ammo slot index is same as our weapon slot in use, so basically we are using this weapon. And now we want to check if our clip or max, like total ammo or clip is less than max. If it is, then we can buy ammo. If it's not, then we cannot like continue. So we cannot buy ammo when we have max clip. But now, if our same weapon is the weapon that is not on our hands like at the moment, so it's on the other slot, then this doesn't work yet, so we have to add some things to here. So if the ammo slot index and weapon slot in use are not the same, then we want to add a little branch to here. Okay? And here we want to get, once again, the weapon slots we want to get from them. And what we want to get the ammo slot index. So if the weapon is not the same, if our slot in use is not the same as this weapon that we have, then we want to get that slot's stats. So we want to split that. And we want to check if this ammo clip is less than ammo clip max same weapon. If that clip is less than that, or ammo total is less than this ammo total max same weapon. So basically, yeah, that should be right. Then we want to add a or boolean once more. Oh, not boolean, but boolean. And we want to connect both of these. So now we're checking if that weapon slot's weapon has less ammo than max. Like that. Now let's move this to here. And if it does, we want to actually connect it to here. And if it doesn't have, we want to connect it to here. So yeah, I think everything should be done here. Let's actually go and try it. So now we buy the weapon. And now we have max ammo, so let's check if we can buy it. We cannot, but if we shoot one time, now we can. So everything is working. I will check one more time. Now we have, oh, sorry, I need more. Oh, do I? No. I can buy it now, but let's check if I can. Actually, I will get a little bit more points. So now I will change this weapon to the other slot, or I will change my slot. So let's see if I can buy now. Yes, I can, and let's check if it works. It did work, but let's check if I can buy now. And I can't, so everything works. So yeah, that has been done. One thing I also noticed is when we reload the pistol, like I think the animation is like too fast. Nobody reloads a gun that fast. So let's go to the animations. Oh, actually, I think I already changed this because yeah, it was 0.6. And I think that was also a little bit too fast. If it's 1, like it should be on your project, let's see. Yeah, this is super fast. So I think we want to change it to like 0.5, 0.6. I think 0.6 is okay. It's like super fast reload, but yeah, it works. Yeah. Next thing we want to do, we actually want to, or at least I want to, be able to, like, when our close this and this. So when our clip is empty, I want the player to reload. So let's go to the fire function here. And I think we actually want to go to the fire macro and to the fire weapon and fire trace. And here at the end we should have this decrement clip ammo. And here after this ammo clip current set, let's copy all this and delete it like that. And now we actually want to add a new function, and that function should be called something like reload when empty. Now let's check. Let's actually copy that thing we had. So we actually just need the ammo clip. Oh, okay, let's just remove all this. Let's leave the branch because that we will need. And we want to get our ammo clip current and our can reload. Where is it? Can reload, can reload, can reload. Here, can reload. It should be here at the somewhere around here. And now we want to check if this is less or equal than less or equal than 0. And now we want to add a and boolean. So if our ammo is basically 0 and we can reload, then let's continue. I just added the less or equal because it's like more secure. I don't know how to say it, but it works better because sometimes if we have some glitch and our ammo goes to -1 or something like that, it shouldn't go there, but if something like glitches, then this still will work. So it's like more safe. Now, what we want to do, we want to add another branch here. We basically can just leave it like this, but I want to add some more functionality to here because I want the player, like when the clip is empty, I want to click once and then play like empty click sound, and the second time we click I want it to reload the gun. So let's add a new variable for it and let's call it reload click index, something like that, and we want to change it to the integer. Now from here we want to set it to 0. So when we reload, we want to set it to 0, and before this we want to check if our index is equal or actually greater or equal. This is better, this is safer. So if it's greater or equal to 1, so basically when we click it once it's 1, but the second time we click it should be less, more or greater than greater or equal to 1, then it changes this back to 0 and goes to the reloading. And yeah. And now from the false, if it's not, so it's less, we want to play sound to the like this. And we don't yet have that, but I will show you soon. Now we want to get this reload click index and plus plus, so increment integer. And like this. Compile, save. And what we now want to do, we want to go back to the event graph, and here from the false, if we cannot shoot, then we want to check this reload when empty. Put this to here, and let's actually put that there. Compile, save. Let's check. So basically now when we are shooting, so now we have 0 ammo. Let's click once, nothing happens. Second time, yeah, it starts to reload. Let's check one more time. And now once and second time. Yeah, it works. Let's check with the automatic fire. So it's empty. Once click and second. Yeah, it works. Now let's add the sound that I talked about. So you can actually go to the link in the description, or you can use like your own sound files. But here we have this empty clip WoW file, and yeah, let's add it to our project. Let's go to the effects. Here at the blueprints effects, we have sounds, and now let's add it to here. So empty click WoW. Okay, and let's actually play it. Okay, I want to change this volume to 1.5 and maybe pitch also to 1.5. I think that those were good values for me. Let's try. Okay, this sounds better to my ear. And now let's go to here and to the reload when empty function. We have this place sound. Now, actually, is UI sound, that should be true, and sound should be empty clip. Now, let's go and try. So, empty. Now, when we click, yeah, and second time, it starts to reload. So I think this is pretty good system. Okay, that's pretty nice. Yeah, you can change that however you want. If you don't want to click like 2 times to reload, you can just actually leave all like this, leave all this and connect this reloading stuff function straight after this. But yeah, I think this was all for this video because my head is not working today and this is so hard. So I think I will continue tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.